Game-changing cleaning hacks. Grab your toothpaste and transform your iron.
Make sure you get your back molders.
So easy, and it really works. A little steam will get the toothpaste out of the crevices.
Instead of struggling with this guy in your sink,
grab a pool noodle.
We're gonna place this puppy on the ground and put it on the end of your faucet. Run the pool noodle into the bucket. These little guys are pricey.
Go grab those fluffy socks your mother-in-law gave you for Christmas.
Just put them on like you're putting them on really big feet, which won't be hard for me.
When you're done, just toss them in the laundry.
You've got gunk at the bottom, but your hand doesn't fit inside. We're gonna take a little bit of dish soap.
Add some warm water, a little bit of vinegar,
and the secret weapon.
Plain old dry rice.
Looks kind of terrifying, doesn't it? And then you just start shaking. The rice is doing the cleaning for you. It looks like new. Stop struggling with your trash bag. A command hook. We're gonna take this guy, turn it upside down,
and just place him on the sides of your trash can to hold that bag in place. Follow for more easy tips.